Okay, so I've watched the first part of this video, and that's why I'm not exactly happy. He's someone that I've also, I guess out of the latest, most recent, looked up to, and in a way I kind of know what he's going through. So without further ado, let's react to Tylor's video.
This isn't easy. Hello. Most of you that are watching this video probably already know who I am, and that's why you're watching the video. But for those of you that might not, my name is Tylor Scheid. It's possible you recognize me from Markiplier's You're Welcome tour, or from appearing in videos alongside Mark, Ethan, Wade, and Bob on their respective channels. I've kind of briefly mentioned something that's been weighing really heavily on me, and how it's been affecting me a lot, and
it's very deep, guys.
It's tough, and it's about time I told you. My mom has stage 4B cancer. Did not expect it to be that hard to say. The type of cancer that she has is rare and very aggressive. It's called uterine papillary serous carcinoma, and she has 9 tumors in her abdomen. So I don't know how much time I have left with my mom.
It's kind of like my grandfather. He didn't have the same cancer, but he had cancer. And my uncle.
And that terrifies me.
It's always terrifying.
In a way, this whole situation is a blessing in disguise. Help me recognize how little time I have left with my mom.
They're everything, they're the world.
I want to spend as much time as I possibly can with her. She means the world to me, and I want to show her the world.
Yes.
So I want to take her to accomplish her bucket list, and sharing that experience with you guys, to create bucket list vlogs, and in a way repay my mom for all the sacrifices she's made to give me the opportunities that I have today. She's been through a lot, and this cancer is just another thing.
It's not nice, it's not easy.
I love my mom.
This is good. I haven't seen from here onwards. I just wanted to share this experience with you guys because he is such an inspirational guy.
Surprise! You're being filmed.
Plus,
surprise.
like I said, I've dealt with people who've had and died from cancer, and my mum is my world. She's everything to me.
Birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, it's her birthday. Oh.
Okay, so I decided it's time to cut the hair off. As you can see, don't have a whole lot left. It's getting really, really thin. So I'm going to cut it all off. Okay, I guess I'm about as ready as I can be. I have...
Sorry if I've become a blubbering mess, guys.
Guard on the clippers.
Time to shave my head as an act of solidarity to match my mom, who's fighting cancer, and her hair started falling out from chemo, and she shaved her head. So it's my turn. I love my mom very much, so here we go.
Here goes. Oh. This is tough. No turning back now.
Holy cow, that's so much hair.
Brave soul she is. And he's inspirational for doing this for her. Look at them. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
This is just sad.
Look at her. As much as I love my hair, I would do this for a friend or family member any day. Because it is not easy, especially for a woman to be losing their hair.
Oh my goodness, that feels awful. Oh, that's weird.
Alright guys, look. They've done it.
Well, you're seeing it here
See
first.
all my spots on my head. This is nuts.
I missed some
Oh,
spots,
God.
didn't I?
That's gonna do it for now, guys.
Well, I'll
I'm
go
probably
back
gonna
and
go a
get
little
it.
bit further, but
Yeah.
that's what I got.
Tyler, you are amazing.
Mm-hmm. As you can see, we now match. Love you, Mom.
Look, Tyler.
I know. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you want to help, just all I could ever ask from you guys is to just like and share this video and get as many eyes on it as you can.
Yeah. I'm helping you
I want
right
to
here,
do
mate.
so much for my mom because she deserves it. I love her so much.
She's raised an amazing boy. It's not easy, I'll tell you that. Give this a thumbs up if you guys want to help support him. Links in the description below to subscribe to him, and this time on my end screen, if you guys want, it'll also be on the screen. Just click and subscribe to him. He's an inspiration, and so's his mum. She's brave. So thumbs up, share this video, or even better yet, subscribe to him and watch and share his video of this journey with his mother. So thank you guys for watching. I'll keep this short and sweet, so kia kaha guys. Stay strong. See ya.